So many parents want to take the natural, less invasive route when it comes to their child's health, but this is, I will say, especially true when it comes to ear infections. Now, with the most common recommendations, including antibiotics, ear tube surgery, moms and dads are extremely determined to really find an effective option that really holds off on surgery and gets down to what we call the root cause to stop the seamlessly endless cycle of pain, the sleepless nights, and the antibiotics, which can unfortunately wreak havoc on our kids' digestive, on their immune system health long term. Now, this great news is that there are natural remedies for ear infections that do exist. And these natural remedies have been actually around for a very long time, and they actually help to provide not just pain relief, but they reduce inflammation, they promote drainage, and over time they work not just to help the child get past an acute ear infection, but they actually help to prevent further ones as well. Now, my name is Dr. Eric. I am one of the pediatric and family wellness chiropractors here at Adio Chiropractic in the Middleton and Madison area, and we focus on helping families get to the root cause of what is impacting them from really living their best life possible and really their best expression of life. This video is for moms and dads who are just really tired and frustrated of seeing their kids sick, of struggling, of being up all night with ear pain, and are really worried about long-term effects of more antibiotics and potential ear tube surgery. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about really the natural remedies for ear infections that the standard practitioners really don't often talk about, but have actually been proven countless times to help and address the root cause of what's going on with ear infections. Now, before I go any further, please share this video with other moms, other parents who need to hear this information. We are tired of seeing parents frustrated and seeing their kids struggle when it does not have to be that way, and we want to be able to help them. So let's get into the science behind this. In order to best understand the role of natural remedies for ear infections and the way that they play, we first got to understand the root cause or causes of ear infections in the first place. And that all starts with what we call plumbing or drainage of what we call their inner ear. Now, the number one issue that really causes ear infections in the first place is actually a buildup of fluid. No surprise there, right? The entire ear, nose, and throat, respiratory, lymphatic system work just like the plumbing in our house. And it's all linked together. So not only do the nerves and muscles of the inner ear need to be working well and moving fluid along, but it's got to keep moving through the neck, the lymphatic system, and throughout the whole body. Now, put simply, if the body can expel or can't expel the viruses and bacteria, it becomes chronically congested with them, leading to ongoing inflammation and recurrent chronic ear infections and other illnesses that we see so commonly in our kids. Therefore, any natural remedy for ear infections must first look to address the poor drainage and get things moving in the first place. And just like a clogged drain in your home, it can cause buildup of just junk and crud. And in honesty, the same thing happening in your child's inner ear. Because of this, the natural remedies that help get to the root cause are ones that really help to support drainage and the movement of fluid from here downward. And here are just actually a few that can help. First one, neurologically focused chiropractic care. 2 is a warm or cold compress over the ear. 3 is ginger tea tree oil, can be really good. And then 4 is naturopathic ear drops. So if ear fluid or fluid drainage is the root cause, the most effective remedy to help it get really cleared out, and that is neurologically focused chiropractic care, because that can have such an impact on really allowing things to drain. Chiropractic care helps to work, not only help with the nerves and the muscles that are involved in keeping the inner and the middle ear healthy and draining and functioning just right, but to actually the whole entire nervous system. To see this, I want to show you one of the insight scans of a kiddo where she started and then how far she has really come. The one right here is before, and this is showing, and then this one is showing the progress. This is an EMG scan that looks at the energy and the tension in the muscles of the neck that help really drain that inner ear and keep fluid moving through the neck, through that lymphatic system, and again, throughout the whole body. In her before scans, you can see, the red color in the neck, in the upper back area. This showed the tightness and the tension holding back the full drainage of the body. In the progress scan here, you can see the tension was drastically reduced, going right along with mom reporting that she was no longer really congested, wasn't clogged, and filled with fluid in her ears, nose, and throat, giving mom really full confidence that her body was draining and the clogged ears and the sinuses were a thing of the past. Now, to end this video, first, please ask any questions or leave a comment down below or send us a direct message. We are here to help you. Second, please share this with other parents, other family members, Facebook groups who need to hear this information. Third, if you're concerned that this may be the cause or the case with your child, schedule a consultation and exam with our office right now, especially if you've tried everything getting to the bottom of the struggle causing chronic ear infections for your kiddo. And with these scan measurements, we can actually then give you a confident answer if we can actually help and allow this to be a game changer for your kiddo. So give our office a call at 608-824-0950, or you can send us a direct message.